Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22. Pro Drone PD6B AW ARM. In Japan, a team of specialists has created something truly groundbreaking. The world's first full-size drone with not one, but two arms. This drone is like a superhero, weighing in at 44 pounds, yet it's strong enough to carry objects up to 22 pounds in each arm. Imagine it swooping in like a futuristic savior, delivering a life ring to someone in trouble with its maximum flight speed of 37 miles per hour. But wait, there's more. This drone isn't just fast and strong, it's also super smart. It can fly for an impressive 30 minutes on just one charge, and it's not afraid of bad weather. Rain or shine, it's ready to leap into action. And get this, it can climb up to an incredible altitude of 3.1 miles, like it's reaching for the stars. Now, why did these geniuses create such an amazing machine? Well, they had one big mission in mind: keeping people safe. Think about it. There are times when humans need help in dangerous situations, like working up high. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.